In doing your work, you will get opposition. And if they attack you, whatever way they choose, they will make nice for you to hear that they're actually there. And what they want is for you to come out and fight with them. Don't. Enter not into the path of the wicked. Pass not by it. Walk away from it. And you'll be able to continue doing your work. Because that is the enemy. That's how the devil works. The devil can see you. They can't, but the devil sees you, and then the devil will send the wicked ones, his minions. I use the masonry a little bit. I just say I did this one video this morning before I make a move. So I'm gonna grab a cup of tea and something, and then find something to do for the rest of my day, constructive. And you can put your phone on audio and put your headphones in and listen to the verses while you're out. Listen to your Bible verses.